A lot of industry stalwarts have come and shared their perspective, and they've shared their real life experiences. Now those real life experiences help us leverage the existing strengths that we have and also help us reflect upon the areas that we need to work on. When Giri came in, I think Giri talked about extensively on his expertise on investor relations. Now, so far in my career, I have not been exposed to investor relations. When I spoke to him, I think he had two very strong and very simple nuggets to me. Investor relations is not about English. It is about simple presentations. Plus, he told me that you could work on something like Toastmasters. Now, if you get into Toastmasters, your storytelling will get augmented in a big way. Now, this has simple, real-life, practical and implementable solutions that will help me dial up on my skill set.
As a finance professional, what at my level, we do a limited role. So we do not get opportunity to work on the wider role within the organization. And I feel that after doing this program, I have got idea of the wider role. So that would be definitely going to help me a lot to move my next level.
These I think these are few 5 pillars I would say that if I want to go to next level, which every one of us would always aspire to be moved up to the next ladder. It will help me drive these at least 5 pillar agenda I would carry with me. Of course we do most of this, but not very consciously. So I would try and focus consciously on these aspects. And of course, the kind of interaction, the kind of senior professionals from all around the industries, they spoke and they shared their experience. I still remember someone spoke on the relationship with the audit committee, that how transparent it should be, how straightforward, and these are the simple things to kind of practice. So I would say these would be my definitely helpful tool I would be carrying with me.
The way they have taken a people from a different field with a different experience, we are learning from them, and the people or the speakers are chosen from really very elite group and elite field, where they have done all these things very effectively. They are the mentors for few CFOs, they themselves are CFOs. They have seen such kind of forums earlier. So the knowledge and the kind of people they've choose to share their knowledge or experience is really effective. Surely we were knowing all this, but how to implement it, there they have focused more. So that will really help us to take it forward.
This will definitely it's give me a lot of thought points, where in which areas I need to really focus more going forward, like the strategies and all those things, and managing the stakeholders. So yeah, it will really make you think on those lines, and I believe that will be really helpful for me in my future.